Okay. Oh, how big that necklace is beamed up right here. So we went to the bar. We tried to take a couple pics. Now we just chilling, cooling on the river.
No, why don't we go to the
That's Brianna. Okay, bye. Good morning, everyone. Waking up a baddie once again. I love it here. Oh, we're not gonna. We have to fix those later, babes. Let's pull this down. Yeah, we had fun last night. We ate good. We ordered some breakfast room service. You want to see my view? It's a beautiful morning in Chicago, Pond River. Almost fell, anyways. I'll show you the breakfast. Let's see what it's looking like. Oh, that's my bacon, egg, and cheese croissant. That looks nice. Okay, got some breakfast for my gal, Brittany. This is what I'm most excited to see, you guys. It sounded good. What? Look at the blueberry pancakes. They sounded phenomenal. Yes, got a tea. We're just gonna, have a slow morning. We have some fun stuff planned today. Gonna go explore Chicago. Go kayaking on the river. We just woke up. She likes soft, quiet mornings. So we'll check in later. Check the skin, doll. So we're ready. I have my little outfit on. It's a little bit sporty. No makeup right now. We'll slay later tonight for our burlesque dinner. Hobby is in the chat. Okay. Giving a little vlog update. We're gonna go hit the town. Shut up, Kamari. We're gonna go hit the town and this is why I can't give you guys the content that you deserve.
Donald Trump.
Bro, we're at Rump Towers.
Make America laugh again.
No, we're staying at the Londonhouse. We would never support
Donald Trump.
Oh no! It's just our view is exactly right in front of his fat ass hotel, which is the second largest building in Chicago. It's the second tallest building. And so just, I don't know, guys. It's not my fault. Don't not be getting mad at me. I don't want to hear nothing. Okay, anyways. We're gonna go kayaking today. We're gonna explore the town, go to the beam. Yeah. What else we gonna do? Oh, maybe we'll get some pizza today. Let you know about that. I'm gonna meet up with Tati and her husband Julian. That's my Leo birthday twin. His birthday like 2 days before mine. Period. And we'll check back in later. Damn, it's hot. Okay, y'all. Look at everybody looking at this bean. Here, being a tourist at the bean. I don't really know why everybody comes here to see this, but they do. And everybody just knows this is in Chicago, so it's kind of just like, you have to go see the bean. So I'm showing y'all. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh. I'm okay, thank you. It's nice and cool under here. It's hot. Let's go find my friendsies. We're almost ready to start kayaking soon. Oh, look, you can see your reflection.
If you prepare to go underneath it, it's nice and warm.
So, bike riding to Navy Pier. Let me show you guys. It's a beautiful day. It's a cute little bike trail. This is Lake Michigan. The Navy Pier is like a couple miles that way. So, waiting on the girls. Look at this beautiful view. Lake Michigan. So cool. They got the party boat, the party bike. Okay, you guys, I've gotten everyone out on the kayaks on the Chicago River. So, I have a single kayak. I've done this before. Last time I came to see Tati, I wanted to do it with my friends for my birthday. So I'm very excited. Kayaking on the Chicago River. All of my lovelies are gone. Okay, catch up with y'all in a second. Peppy. Yeah, girls. Tati. Say hi.
Breakfast is finished.
How are you feeling, hubby?
We're having breakfast again.
Period. On the river. Alright. We're about to try to cross over. We're waiting for the boats to pass by. Look at that. Okay, bye. Kayaking on the river. Everyone's over there. They be having a good old time on their boats, y'all. Killing it. Gang, gang, gang. Look at everybody killing it. Really like that. Really like that. People be on their little private boats and stuff, y'all. It's so cute. And all the little people of Chicago, the buildings. Our hotel is up over there. So I'm gonna paddle a little farther and then show y'all. Okay, the Londonhouse is right there. Alright, y'all. We just finished the kayaking.
The kayak.
How was it? It was good. They was beasting. How was your kayaking experience, you guys? How many calories did you burn?
36.
Oh, I'm 41. He ain't do shit. He extra fit ass. Bro, heart rate low. That was not a challenge for my boy. Oh, yeah. Y'all from Dallas? No. Oh,
From Florida.
Florida. Oh.
Girl, we came over here, we was freezing.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Y'all about to do kayaking? Oh, thanks. These are some little pricey. I like them, baby. I do. Ashley, girl, the girls like your stuff. Anyways, how was your experience kayaking?
It was a little exciting. It was exciting.
Yeah. The boats
It was the boat.
y'all saw the boats, baby. Y'all seen this. They was in our face. So yeah.
Tell them about how you almost got kicked out.
I almost got kicked off by this man. I'm gonna show y'all who he is. This one right back there. He tried to kick me off the water because he said, oh, you need to follow the rules and go to the right side. Mind you, there's about 3 big ass boats coming. So where I'm gonna go, as soon as it got clear, he come over there beasting, telling me to move, which what I was already doing. He was like, I'm about to take her back. Who you taking back? Not me. Anyways, and he was being sick. He just kicked another girl off the kayak. He put her in one that's sitting up, one of them big thick ones. There's other ones where you can like sit down in them. Some are harder to do than others, and I was like, maybe she could have mine. He's like making them go on a double now because he didn't want to put her in a better one. He's like, this is the biggest one we have. I'm like, okay, but otherwise, it's fine. It's fine. We're just gonna leave now. They didn't give us no map, bro, but it's okay. We had fun. That's some big ass boats. Some of our butts are a little wet, but overall, kayaking on the river done. Now maybe we'll go get a snack. Okay, check back in later. Nope. So this is the famous sandwich. Whoa. How satisfying. Which one is this?
Spinach and lasagna.
Okay, that looks good. I got some pepperoni. Brianna has the sausage one. And her sandwich looks great. Brittany has this. Rico bean. Show us the baby. Whoa! Chicken parm. Ooh. With some peppers. Oh, that looks good. That hits. Pepper pizza over here. Really no damn pepper pizza. Brittany having pepper pizza. Alrighty. We have burlesque dinner to go to. Peep the fit, peep the fit. The doll is cute. Our Uber is here in like a minute. Simple makeup. Okay, check in later. Going to Untitled Supper Club. It's supposed to be like a jazz lounge burlesque show. So excited for that. And you look cute and burlesque. Ready. Okay. So when we get there, I just dropped my phone. We got her. Thank you. Hello.
One time
I need to put some more oil on my face because she been dry after my little facial, y'all. But it's Sunday. Hobby has left. Hobby left the chat. We saw her this morning. I didn't film with her leaving and stuff, but she got a little bit of content with me before she left. And just wearing a little denim. And look at my beautiful birthday gift that Poppy got me. She cute. And she go with my outfit. She's a star. Okay, also look at my shoesies. Aren't they so cute? Just these two. So it's gonna be a chill day. Gonna have a quick little brunchy brunch. Brianna's leaving today, like later in the afternoon, so we just get time to chill and explore a little bit more. I'm not wearing makeup to brunch, baby. I'm not. Huh? Oh, exactly. It rained though. If you could see, the streets look a little wet still. Weird, because we got in at like almost 2 a.m. The burlesque dinner was chef's kiss. It was looking very cute, breaking all the necks per usual. And the food was so good. The food was good, like phenomenal times. So we're just gonna chill today, see a little bit more things of Chicago before Brianna goes, and then Tati, me, and Julian are gonna have din tonight, and then Tati's gonna stay with me. I'm moving hotels tonight, so we're going to the Hyatt properties from the Hilton. As you know, I am a globalist with the Hyatt. And time to with the Hilton. Sponsor me. So that's gonna be fun. We'll see what other little things we can get into. Maybe we'll go to the pier, maybe we won't. I don't care, but if other people want to go, we will. So yeah, check back in later.
Yeah, once it's done. I like the stuff. Yeah, man, honestly.
That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. Shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. Shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. Shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come.
Barsol, mariscos, rainbow cone.
You can get something with that.
Yes, you can. Cocktails, micheladas, seltzers, frozen margaritas.
If you ride with me, I gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love. Gotta worry when tomorrow
This hotel is fun. We're just gonna do some last minute things today and head to the airport. Check in later. Our Uber just canceled. How rude. How rude. So he gonna stub his toe tonight and he gonna think about that canceled Uber. Aren't there fees? So we're gonna have some Kong dog. I'm gonna go. How far is it? Oh, period, Martina. Come get us, girlies. En 3 minutos, Martina, come here. Va aquí. We're gonna go to Kong dog. I'm excited to have another Korean corn dog. Lacey out here, so I'm gonna do a nice little review for you guys. And they have a Magnolia Bakery here, so I have to try the one in Chicago, like the. And I think if we have time, I might try on a furrow and see if I can get one. But you know those are kind of expensive, so if anybody on here wants to pay for me one, definitely much obliged. You can Cash App, Zelle, PayPal. You can call the store, put your card on file, all the things. So yeah, hopefully I find something cute. And just gonna spend the last day with my big Steve. Be cute. Period. Check back in later.
Maybe I'm just too cheap for you, maybe I'm just too screed, bitch. I can even roll them deep.